The end results of today's recipe is going to blow your mind. In today's video, I'm going to show you two amazing hair growth recipes that will not only grow your hair, but will also treat your hair strands and prevent them from breaking. When chemicals damage my hair, I have to start growing my hair all over again, but I was struggling to grow my hair. My hair was breaking a lot, it was thinning out, but after discovering natural ingredients and learning how to use them the right way, now my hair is much thicker, fuller, and more flourishing. And today I'm going to show you one of the remedies I've been using. So make sure you are watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of this video. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even commenting and sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. There are so many videos you could have watched, but you decided to stop here today, and I can promise you you're going to enjoy this video. In today's recipe, one of my ingredients is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is really great when it comes to treating your scalp and growing your hair. Always make sure you're using the organic apple cider vinegar, the one that says with the mother. Do not forget to shake your apple cider vinegar before transferring some into a container. There is no measurement to this, depending on the quantity that you are making or how thick or full your hair is, you can always adjust the measurements. Apple cider vinegar is really great. It's going to treat your scalp from bacteria, dandruff, and other scalp infections. Apple cider vinegar can also balance the pH levels of your scalp and also exfoliate your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. The next natural ingredient I'm going to use today is my rosemary herbs. Feel free to use the fresh rosemary or the dry ones. Rosemary is also a natural ingredient that is very effective. It treats your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. It can strengthen your hair strands, prevent hair loss, hair breakages, hair fall, or anything that will make you lose your hair. It is going to help boost your hair growth by improving blood circulation in your scalp. So I added about 2 tablespoons of my rosemary herbs to my apple cider vinegar. I'm just giving it a quick stir to stir everything in very well. After that, I'm going to cover it and set it aside, leave it overnight. Then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this next. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair problems or to grow their hair much faster. And thank you for doing all that. Alright, so it's been the next day. I just strained my rosemary herbs from the apple cider vinegar. The rosemary has been infused into the apple cider vinegar. This is going to maximize the benefit of the apple cider vinegar. Then after that, I'm just going to top it up with warm water. You can use any regular water, then give it a stir to make sure it is stirred in well. We're going to use this as a hair rinse. This is the apple cider vinegar rinse. But the rosemary herbs that has been added has maximized the benefits of the apple cider vinegar. Both ingredients have the ability of treating your scalp from dandruff and also stimulating new healthy hair growth. So it's going to work much better when you use it this way. Before washing your hair, use this apple cider vinegar rinse all over your hair, massage it into your scalp very well, massage it into your hair strands, then after that, rinse it out with water, then go ahead to shampoo wash your hair. This is going to make your scalp feel so clean and give way to new healthy hair growth. It is also going to leave your hair strands really shining and also prevent hair breakages. Alright, let's move on to the second recipe. With the second recipe, I need some cloves powder. So this is my cloves powder. You all know the great benefits of cloves. Cloves will also treat your scalp from dandruff, prevent hair breakages. It is also going to darken your hair. So if you're someone experiencing premature growing of the hair, you can always add cloves to your hair care regimen. I'm also going to add some coffee. Feel free to use any coffee of your choice. Coffee is also great to stimulate hair growth. The caffeine in the coffee can stop hair breakages, hair fall, hair loss, hair shedding, and is going to improve new healthy hair growth. When coffee and cloves are used constantly on your hair, it is going to darken your hair and improve the texture of your hair. You will see that after one use, your hair is going to feel so soft, darker, and more beautiful. So at this point, you will add any shampoo of your choice. I'm going to add my castor soap, but you do not have to use the soap. The main ingredients are the cloves powder and the coffee. These two ingredients are going to do the job. They're going to maximize the benefit of even the cheapest shampoo out in the market. So make sure you are adding these two ingredients to your shampoo and you're going to have amazing result. After adding it to it, give it a good stir and I'm going to show you how to apply this on my hair. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video. But before getting into all that, I would like you to know that I really enjoyed filming this video. Just look at how beautiful these recipes are looking and they are super effective. And I hope you're also enjoying watching it. But I would like for you to show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not allow me to do all the talking. Let me hear from you in the comment section below on your thoughts on these recipes. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms because you might not know who you'll be helping to grow their hair much faster or helping to solve their hair problems. Alright, so this is just a regular shampoo. You will use it as you would with your regular shampoo. You just wet your hair, then you rub it in your hair. With this recipe, you have to make sure you are really getting this in the scalp, on your hair strands, on every part of your hair. Because the cloves and the coffee put together is going to work on your scalp, cleanse your scalp, and give way to new healthy hair growth. If you use these two recipes consistently, you're going to have amazing result. Your hair will feel softer, darker, beautiful, and the texture is going to improve a lot. This will stop hair shedding, help you retain some length, some thickness, and also cleanse your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I know you have already subscribed. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster. Bye!